A UNL grad student has been conducting research on foxes.
Yeah, he's been tracking and trapping them, hoping to learn more, including whether or not they're spreading any types of diseases. New at 6, Channel 8 Eyewitness News reporter Zach Worthington joins us now with more on this project. Zach?
Rod and Megan, the Lincoln Fox Project has enlisted the help of the community. People are assisting in tracking foxes for meaningful research. Kyle Daugherty, a graduate student at UNL, has been studying Lincoln's seemingly growing fox population for over a year now. He says when he was just starting out, so many people reached out to him about fox sightings that he decided to create a website to collect data.
When Liz and I started doing our fox research, we just had a lot of people telling us where they'd see foxes, and we essentially just decided that we needed to start recording those, and it actually turned into usable data that we can use.
Daugherty started the Lincoln Fox Project, a site accessible by anyone. People can post pictures of foxes they see, and they are then plotted on a map of the city.
It's a great way to reach out to people and keep people involved in science.
Lincoln Animal Control says Daugherty's work has been a great help to them.
They have been helpful in terms of helping us keep tabs on where all these foxes are in Lincoln.
Daugherty uses box traps with electronic monitors baited with rancid chicken necks. When a trap closes, he is notified and he immediately goes to check it out. He takes blood samples and tags the animal's ear. He then releases it unharmed. One thing he is checking for are diseases that can be spread to pets and humans.
There are some disease considerations that we're looking at. We're not so concerned about foxes posing a disease risk, but kind of using those foxes as a tool to monitor what diseases are out there in the environment.
So far, Daugherty has successfully trapped 30 foxes. He works closely with animal control, alerting them if any sick animals are found.
We have not yet caught, trapped, or picked up a fox that tested positive for rabies in Lincoln.
If animal control gets a tip about a fox den, they call Daugherty to have him set up some of his traps for research.
Call them up and say, hey, we're aware of a den of foxes, a couple adults and 5 or 6 kits, over in such and such an area.
Beal says the foxes don't pose a public health risk, but he wants people to call in if they see anything out of the ordinary.
If it's a sick or injured animal, we want to know about it. We want to go out and deal with it.
So far, 189 community members have made 376 fox observations. If you'd like to make one yourself and help with Daugherty's research, the information on how to do that is up on our website at klkntv.com.
Very interesting.